Welcome back to the third video in Excel GPT. Now we'll understand how to extract the basic fundamentals of Excel from Chat GPT. If you're a beginner, if you're a new person, or if you do not know a new topic, there are many topics which many people do not know. If you're a fresher in Excel, you may not know how to use VLOOKUP. If you're an experienced person in Excel, you may not use how to use Power Query. If you're pro level, you may not know how to use the DAX function in the Excel as well. So what we are going to do is we'll try to understand how to get the knowledge from ChatGPT. The first one, suppose I'm a beginner in this Excel, I might ask them a question like, explain me the VLOOKUP step by step. This is one method. Now it doesn't know the context. It doesn't know who are you. Are you a fresher or an experienced person, or are you a pro level person? So, but it is trying its best to give you the answers and explanation with the help of some data, some example as well. And also it is giving you explanation about every topic. But however, you can be little specific. You can ask them question in a detailed manner. What is the question? What is the way you can ask? Remember, the next job which are coming in the market are not for only normal Excel users, but they are for Power BI or any users. This is the job which is trending in the market now coming very soon. These are prompt engineers. A person who knows how to ask the right questions, the way they can ask the right questions to those GPT and other tools, other people will be getting right preference in the company. So the question would be, hello, I'm a beginner Excel user and I'm using Excel 2016. Because if you are a 2020, 2019 or Office 365, it might give you the other answers. I have heard about VLOOKUP function, but I'm not entirely sure what exactly it does and how do I use it. I have two tables of data and I want to look up and pull information from the second table into the first based on the matching ID. Can you explain the concept behind the VLOOKUP function and provide a simple step-by-step to using it on my scenario? So you see how detailed the question is. It also tells you you're a beginner. It also tells you that you're a 2016 user, and accordingly it will give you all the answers properly so you can copy paste and use it for your learning purpose as well. So remember, asking the right questions is which is very important. These are prompt engineers which we are asking. Let's try two more examples. I'm asking them that now I'm an advanced user of Office 365. I'm working on a project that requires use of pivot tables. How I can create a calculated field in pivot table. Now remember, advanced users, they struggle with the calculation or calculated field. I'm trying to calculate profit by subtracting the cost, which both fields in my pivot table. I can't seem to find the option to do this. Can you provide a detailed walkthrough? So now it will give you the understanding step by step how you can get the answers over there. Now it also can fool you. You have to be careful, everyone. This Chat GPT is very smart. It lies very, very confidently. So you have to be a person who can quickly understand, boss, if this is lying or this is not lying. There are many methods. One is you can blindly follow the steps. Second is you are an experienced person, you use it and you can ask them question, are you sure? Are you right? This kind of questions, if you ask them, this will try to correct the answers and give you back. Okay. Now the last question which I have is, I can just copy this question from here instead of writing in front of you. So, hello, I'm a intermediate Excel user and I'm working on Excel 2019. I want to apply conditional formatting rule to a column of dates. I want the dates that are 30 days more on future to highlight in green. Remember, if you're a person who works in the procurement team or a person in the accounts team, whenever you get the purchase order or some invoices, after 30 days, you do a payment, right? So a person who is into the accounts department, they want to highlight that record into a green color. So how do I do that? Okay, that's the question they're asking. And you have to follow those questions here. So select the date column, open the conditional formatting, use a formula, and then copy paste the formula and so on. So set the formatting and so on. So if you follow this process, you'll get the right answers. Remember, the video which I've recorded right now, this is to make you aware how should be the right questions to be asked to ChatGPT or any AI tool. They are not so smart to understand what is your age, how much you know, because there are people who are watching from different countries. The language would be different, the examples would be different, the methods in which you execute might be different, the currency symbol would be different. So you have to be exactly sure to frame them the questions properly, and then you can get the right answers. So I hope you have understood how to understand and learn the basic fundamentals of Excel using ChatGPT, and that's all for this video.